My question to you is, we as Qadam take a pledge in which we say, Deen over dunya. When we are doing Jamaat work, there comes a point when it's hard to balance school and Jamaat work. Which one should we prioritize at that point, Jamaat or school work?
You see, as long as you are a student, you should give more time to your studies and give your weekends to the Jamaat, right? Because after completing your education, you are going to be more beneficial for the Jamaat, more productive for the Jamaat than now, right? So increase your knowledge, excel in your studies, complete your education, and after completing your education, then you can give more work to the Jamaat. But at present, you should do justice with your studies first, and then if you have spare time during the normal weekdays, you can give time to the Jamaat. Otherwise, you can give time at the weekends. Okay? But it does not mean that in the name of getting education, you just waste your time here and there, gossiping and seeing nonsense and internets and some pornographies and this and that, and say, I'm very busy in doing my job. Eh? You are not busy in that sense. Eh? So you have to see to it that whatever, honestly, what you are doing is for the sake of your studies, then well and good, do it first. And then second preference should be the Jamaat. But at the same time, I will give precedence my deen over dunya also means that wherever it comes, that somebody asks you that you should not pray 5 daily prayers, then you should know, I cannot do this thing. I cannot stop praying. And at the same time, while studying in the university, you should also give preference to your deen on dunya is that whenever prayer time comes, whether it is Zohr or Asr time, then you offer your Zohr prayer and Asr prayer, right? And then after that, start your studies again. So this is the meaning at present, that what are the obligations on you by Allah Ta'ala of His haqq, of His rights, then you have to discharge your rights towards Allah Ta'ala. And Allah Ta'ala says that you offer 5 daily prayers on time and if possible in congregation. But here in the university you cannot offer your prayer in congregation. Only if there are 4 or 5 MG students, you can join together and offer your prayer in congregation. Otherwise, whenever prayer time comes, first ask your professor and teacher that this is my prayer time, give me some 10 minutes so that I can offer my prayer, and then offer your Zohr and Asr prayer, and then come back and start your studies again. This is the meaning at present. You pray whenever there is prayer time and continue your studies after that. But as far as the Jamaat's work, other Jamaat work is concerned, then you should give your weekends to the Jamaat work and give more emphasis on your studies. Right? Where there are Allah's rights, then there should not be any compromise.
Yes, sir.
Okay? Understand?
Yes.